NIPS College CEO Liz Wanyoike's burial date has been confirmed as news have it that a burial place has also been identified. The news is currently making headlines on social media. Remember that Liz passed on January 14th, 2024. She was the visionary force behind the Nairobi Institute of Business Studies, and she was aged 72. In 1999, Liz Wanyoike founded NIPS, previously known as the Nairobi Institute, currently known as the Nairobi Institute of Business Studies. Under guidance, the constitution drive evolving into one of Kenya's foremost hospitality colleges, accommodating over 10,000 students enrolled in various professional courses, strategically positioned in Thika Town, Nairobi, in Thika Road, Nairobi CBD, Ruiru, and Ongata Rongai. Now, beyond her impactful contribution to the realm of education, Liz Wanyoike was a shredded entrepreneur who explored different diverse business sectors, including investments in education, real estate, and land. Now, despite their parting ways with her husband 26 years ago in 1997, Liz consistently emphasized that their separation stemmed from divergent investment perspectives rather than emotional differences. Now, the funeral arrangement for Liz Muthoni Wanyoike are scheduled for January 23rd, 2024 at her ex-husband's hometown. Before the funeral, prayers will be held in Garden Estate or Clark-Pomassing from today, where it was named that now she will be buried at her late husband's home. A memorial service is also slated for January 18th, 2024 at the ACK St. John's of Arimathea Thomas Estate, offering an opportunity for friends, family and colleagues to pay their respects. Na pia imepangwa kwamba siku ya Ijumaa ndipo kutakuwa na memorial ama niseme hafla ya ukumbusho wa Liz Wanyoike na kazi yake ambayo alifanya katika chuo cha mafunzo ya mikono na mafunzo ya biashara cha Nairobi Institute of Business Studies, NIPS College. Nayo kwa sasa tutakuwa tukikujuza yale ambayo yanaendelea kadri masaa yanavyokwenda na kadri taarifa tofauti zinapochipukia kuhusiana na Liz Wanyoike. Hii ni FM Show, usibanduke kabla hujasubscribe.